Hello everybody. For today's look, it's not the most blended, but I am challenging myself as I've seen other people do it. I picked out a few items from my own personal beauty collection, and I'm going to be using them over the course of the month of July. So I picked out my Marc Jacobs bronzer, Flower Beauty blush that I haven't touched since I bought it, which was like maybe towards the beginning of this year. The Flower Beauty palette, and it's one of the Wanderlust one, the LA one. I got this one to use for the month along with these Urban Decay limited edition palettes. I forgot what the collection was. It was with the artist Jean-michel Basquiat. I don't know if I'm saying his name right, but both these palettes, I used the blues in all three of these palettes to create this look. And I'm going to, whenever I feel like going out or doing my makeup, I'm going to do my makeup with these items. Yeah, make sure I actually use stuff and rotate things around every month, and I'm going to try to do that. Last month, I solely focused on using the Soft Glam palette from Pacifica, so every time I went out, I used that palette. And yeah, I realized I forgot to spritz myself. But anywho, this is going to be a voiceover. Let's get right into it. Okay guys, starting this look out with the beige color in the Wanderlust Flower Beauty palette in LA Hollywood Hills. We're going to just blend that right into the crease. I am then going to take from one of the Urban Decay Jean Basquiat palettes, the color Boom, and also blend that into the crease, but slightly lower than that beige color. Okay, and then I'm taking the blue color from the Wanderlust Flower Beauty palette and placing that in the inner half of my lid, making sure to layer it up so it gets full pigment. It's bam wham, blue in your face. And then for the outer bit of my lid, I'm going to take the shade Untitled from the Urban Decay palette. It wasn't as dark as I thought it would be, so I then took Pseudonym from the other Urban Decay palette to deepen out the outer view of this look. I am then going to go back to the blue in the Flower Beauty palettes and just blend that on the lower lash line, avoiding the innermost half because I'm going to place a different shade there. But yeah, just happily blending this underneath my lids, well, my lash line. Moving on, I'm then going to go back to that Pseudonym color to deepen out the lower lash line and connect it to the top lash line so it blends seamlessly. Even though this look could have been slightly cleaner, we all know I like a messy eye. Then, taking this fantastic glittery green shade from the Flower Beauty product from the Flower Beauty palette, I'm placing that in the inner half of my lash line, and it's beautiful. And it sticks very well with the brush, so I'm impressed with that. I need to use the glitters from this palette more often because I am always amazed by them despite the fallout. And here's me trying to get rid of said fallout. Then I'm going to take the lightest glittery awesome shade from the Flower Beauty palette and attempt to place it with my finger, but my finger was too big. It went everywhere. It wasn't as concentrated as I wanted, so I tried to scrape off some of the glitter and get rid of the fallout because the fallout was immense, let me tell you. So here's me taking it off and then placing some more of this beautiful glitter on my eyes with a brush, a pencil brush. to be precise. Moving on to the face, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs bronzer in Tan-Tastic. I forgot how much I love this. Happy I took it back out of my makeup collection. This bronzer is indeed fantastic. You know, fantastic, fantastic, perfect for summer. For blush, I'm taking the Flower Beauty Flower Pots blush in Sweet Pea and just blushing up my face. No highlighter for this look, guys. I've decided against highlighter. I want it to be matte. Except for the glitter that fell all over my face from the eyeshadow. For brows, I'm using the Eye of Horus brow pencil, which is my fave. I can never have a bad brow day with this brow pencil, guys. I highly, highly recommend. And then can you guys guess what else I used on my brows? If you guess Glossier Boy Brow, you are indeed correct. Now do my brows without good brow gel. I just love the effect it gives me. More definition. I don't have a lot of brow hairs, guys. I need all the help I can get. And for the lips, I used the ColourpopxShayla collab Come On Sis. I have been obsessed with this lipstick color lately and I don't want to take it off. I want to wear it every day. I need more ColourPop lipsticks because they are amazing. ColourPop's just amazing in general. And then lastly, for mascara, I'm taking the Pacifica Stellar Gaze Length and Strength Mirror Mascara in the color Stardust, which is their brown shade. I meant to grab my black one, but here we are with brown. And that, guys, finishes this look. I hope you liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to try to do another one this month using the same products. Just sprinkle it in there, you know, maybe once or twice a month, using the products that have deemed to be used for that month. Rotate my collection around and find old favorites again. But if you like this video, if you enjoyed my company, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!